Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. I am trying something different today. We are introducing a brand new series here at Brian's Badass Reviews called Tech Tuesdays. Pretty much just budget technical items that you don't have to go out and spend a ton of money for, that will help you get through your day. It could be cameras, it could be something with your computers, it could be any kind of device, any kind of lighting setup, film editing. I thought it'd be just kind of interesting to drop some short videos, throw them out on Tuesdays. Now maybe not every single Tuesday. These will be my Tech Tuesday short, maybe 2-minute type videos to show you some cool stuff that has helped me along the way. Today we're gonna be talking about the Akaso EK7000 4K action adventure camera. Don't have money for that GoPro? You might want to check this out. Kick the intro! Follow my channel, you know I like to bounce around. I do some different things. I'm usually out on the Meepos or I'm out on the motorcycle. Of course, I do a lot of these beard reviews and stuff like that. And along the way, there's a bunch of different things that have kind of helped me really without having to break the bank. We here at Brian's Badass Reviews are still a very small channel, so I like to try to find the deals that will help me out and be in my budget to still bring you guys the best content I can possible. Today's video is gonna be on the Akaso action camera. I knew I was gonna be going on a few of these trips. If you guys watch my Wimberley video, I wanted to get some good car footage, some good footage kind of run and gun where I didn't have to bust out the Canon M50. And I didn't wanna have to fork out $300 at this point for a GoPro. Just not quite in my budget right now. So I went on the old Amazon. I was looking for action cameras, saw a big variety of cameras. But there are two things I was looking for. One, I was looking for that in-camera stabilization and something that really wasn't gonna break the bank. Maybe something that shoots 4K. And I found it right here with the Akaso. So this bad boy right here will shoot 4K at 25 frames per second, 2.7K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, and it also has 16 megapixel capability. Like I stated before, it has the electronic image stabilization, which I feel is huge for me to bring you the kind of quality that I wanna bring you with the content. I don't want shaky footage. It's not perfect, it's not gonna be like your DSLR mirrorless camera that you're using, but it will get you through. This bad boy is waterproof all the way up to 131 feet. I don't ever plan on going underwater 131 feet, you know, but I do live pretty close to South Padre Island, so who knows, maybe I'll take this thing with me sometime to the beach and I'll get some of that underwater footage for you guys. If you guys are gonna wanna go deep diving, you're gonna wanna throw it in this case right here that it comes with. Top flips open, super easy. This thing opens up just like that, and then you just slide it right in there. Now, one thing to note, when you do have it in the case like this, you are not gonna be able to hear any audio that you're recording. And that brings me kind of to my next point. Now, the audio quality on this, it's gonna sound just like any camera without an external microphone, and there is no input for an external microphone with this camera. Now, it does record audio when it's not inside the case like this. It's not super high quality, but it will be enough to kind of get you by if you're looking for that audio. But just a quick heads up, when it's in the case like this, no audio. Bunch of different options with this camera. You got different view angles. It's got the super wide, medium, and narrow kind of angle views. So it really helps out with the kind of aspect that you want to get with the footage that you're shooting. Different kinds of modes that it has. It has burst photos. It has a diving mode. It has a special effect mode, which I haven't really messed around with. I don't know really what that is. Does shoot time lapse, both photos and video, which is super awesome for any creator. Continuous loop recording, upside down footage. It has a micro HDMI and a USB input on it. Guys, I paid about $70 for this thing. Now, I kind of knew what I was getting when I was paying for it. I knew I wasn't gonna get that super crisp, super clear, but for $70, I gotta admit, it's not too bad at all. I'm super happy with it. Now, what I like to do is I like to put it on a little tripod like this if I'm carrying it around. Of course, I'm sure you could get the gimbal. This thing comes with a million different kind of mounts. Now, I got this mount right here. I just went out and I got the GoPro helmet cam. So if I'm riding the motorcycle or I'm on the Meepos and I'm wearing my helmet, I can put this on there, and as I'm going down the road, I just hit record and it works awesome. That came separately, right? And I'll throw a link to all of this stuff down below. These are affiliate links. I do get a small kickback at absolutely no additional cost to you guys, but it does help us out here at Brian's Badass Reviews. So here's the GoPro strap. This bag right here is the harness strap. As you're going down the road, you can wear it right here. Gets you that little bit of a better angle if you're a biker or if you're even on the Meepo or whatever. Sometimes that view up on the helmet is just a little bit too high, so you want something a little lower. For the motorcycle, it came with a handlebar adapter. Comes with a start and stop remote that you can wear on your wrist like a watch. Now that thing is not waterproof, but super handy to start your recordings. Right here's the batteries that you use. Plug them in. They charged up just like a regular cell phone. It's not the C-style adapter, adapter. It is the older type of adapter, but I'm sure we all got a million of these things laying around. And of course it comes with the cable and everything. That just slips right here in the side. What's also super cool, guys, is that this back is a touch screen. You have 2 navigation buttons right here. Your record button is on the top. They set it up simple, but it has exactly everything that you need on there. Power button is right there on the front. As the camera's turned on, you get this little red light that kind of comes on, you know it's going. Every one of the adapters comes with one of these screw type things to where you can just put it on. As you can see on the helmet right here, got one right here. That's how it basically connects. Just screw it tight, get it to where you want it. Pretty much for every single use that you guys need it for, it has an adapter for it. So very cool. One of the things that I didn't really like about it is as it's recording, the back screen will go off. I think that's just to save battery life. Now that might be something that you can change in the settings. I'm not really sure. So there you go. There's my first Tech Tuesday, guys. I'm gonna link this down in the description for you guys to check out on Amazon. Way more detailed explanation of all of its different features and everything there. I've really enjoyed using it so far. It's gotten me through. Maybe someday I will bump up to that GoPro just to get that extra buttery crisp footage. For $70, I've been pretty impressed with the video quality on it. That's it. My first Tech Tuesday is in the bag, guys. Check out the Akaso action camera. If you guys have not done so yet, do me a favor. I'd be super honored if you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. New videos coming out every week. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3. Sometimes just 1. If you guys stuck all the way through and you like this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button down below. I'd super appreciate it. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You know what I like to say. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace!